Ayan, once again, good morning to all of our business partners. It was really nice meeting you po, no, to the newest RSD in Asia. Ayan, Sir Elaine and Sir Kelvin. I would like to thank you, of course, for taking the time to hear about our projects. So if you want to experience living in a resort lifestyle, residents, while enjoying the view of mountains and experiencing beautiful beaches and islands, our project is perfect for you. So I am Kate Ibasitas, and I will present to you the newest township development, Montesa. So it is one of Vistaland's prime development, and it is located in one of the most visited tourist destination in the Philippines. It's none other than Zambales. So Zambales is the second largest province in the central region of Luzon. And according to the tourist data of Department of Tourism, around 3.6 million travelers, so these are overnight travelers, has visited Region 3 on 2022. And out of the 3.6 million travelers, 1.6 or 45% of the total has visited serves to highlight how many tourists actually visit Zambales, making Subic to retain its reputation as the #1 tourist destination in Central Luzon, and Zambales as the top 4 most visited place in the Philippines. So Zambales was top 6 on 2019, and now we are on top 4. So Montesa is place where beauty and value grows over time. It is placed at the heart of one of the Philippines' favorite resort cities. Now, talking about how fast your unit can appreciate in value over the years, here's a sample projected appreciation of a one-bedroom unit in Montesa. So 6.8 million as our one-bedroom unit in second floor. At year zero, so year zero is 2024, projected to earn almost 3 million. After 3 years, or on 2027, that's our turnover year. And making your investment after 6 years to be doubled at 13.46 million. And of course, aside from the market appreciation, Zambales' breathtaking mountains and sea also assure income. So what is this income that I am talking about? So sharing with you the average hotel rental. For comparison, I included Pampanga at 1,800 per night for 2 packs. In NCR, average at 2,000 per night for 2 packs. And in Subic, we have 4,100 per night. This is only for 2 packs. And here's an income potential that you might get now when you invest in Montesa. So based from the average of 4,100, so that's 4,000 per night for 2 packs, with a 75% occupancy rating, so that's 23 days a month, that will give you a 92,000 income potential monthly. So this is not considering pa during peak seasons o kaya yung mga holidays natin, 'di ba? Christmas, summer, Holy Week, in which sobrang dami talagang dumadagsang travelers or tourists in Zambales. So with that, let us take a glimpse on how to live in one of the Philippines' favorite resort cities, Subic, Zambales. So Subic is a first-class municipality in Zambales, and it is entranced by pristine coastlines and beaches. It is also known to extend towards its picturesque islands. It has flourishing dive spots, sports adventure sites, gastronomic delights, and retail havens. Wala ka nang hahanapin pa. All in na dito sa Subic, Zambales. Now, here's the vicinity map of Zambales, and let me tour you virtually for now. Ayan, for now po, virtual tour muna tayo here in Zambales. So this is the vicinity of Subic, and let us take a take a look on how strategically located our project is. So on the upper left portion is where our project is located, fronting to the national highway. So this is one of our advantages, as we are just along the national highway. And further way up is to the capital of Zambales, Iba. And the nearest airport to our project is the Subic International Airport at around 25 to 30 minutes travel time from Montesa. And further traversing down yung blue dotted line po, that's the provincial road that will traverse to the province of Bataan, Morong Bataan, where more beaches and resorts can be seen. Now the red solid line, as you can see, that's the expressways, the easiest and the fastest access going to Montesa from Metro Manila and other parts of Luzon. Ayan, so we have the Subic-Clark-Tarlac Expressway, connecting to North Luzon Expressway, joining to Clark, Pampanga in as fast as 1 hour, and to Naiya, Ninoy Aquino International Airport in as fast as 2.5 hours. Kaya po nasabi pong weekend escape ang Subic, ang Zambales, because it's just 2 to 3 hours away from Metro Manila. And of course, the National Highway naman po on the upper right portion will traverse to the provinces of Tarlac and Pampanga. And now, ayan, brace yourselves as Subic charms you with its famous tourist destinations. Starting on the lower right portion of the map is where the Subic Safari is. So this is the only tiger safari in the Philippines. Siya lang po yung zoo in the Philippines na merong tiger attractions tulad po nung nasa picture. And next to it, we have the Ocean Adventure, where animals live in a natural setting of clear water, teeming with marine life, coral reefs, and a lovely sand beach. So going upwards is the famous Subic Yacht Club. It is a perfect paradise with safe harbors and pristine flat waters where you can enjoy the view of Subic Bay while on a yacht. So Subic Yacht Club is also the only yacht club in the Philippines that is accredited in regatta racing. So regatta racing po is yung racing po ng mga yate na ginagawa po in Southeast Asian countries. So the race po from Hong Kong or Macau going to Subic. So that's on a quarterly basis po na ginagawa nila. And next to it is the Lighthouse Marina. So it is a boutique hotel capped by an astounding lighthouse. And if you are looking for water adventures, you don't have to look further anymore, as Networks Jet Sports is also here. So it provides the best ride the ocean can offer: jet ski and parasailing, banana boat ride, speedboat, and many more. And when you go naman on the upper left, ayan, 19 minutes from our project is where you can find the inflatable island. So this is the most Instagrammable resort in Subic. And it is also the largest inflatable resort in the Philippines. And of course, you might want to explore the upper or the northern part of Zambales if you wish to escape the hustle and bustle of the city. So starting on the upper left portion, this is what we were talking about earlier, no, ni Sir John. You'll find the breathtaking view of the Mapanwepe Lake. So this is dubbed as the New Zealand of Zambales. It's renowned for its camping and glamping experiences, and it is very ideal spot, no, to decompress, mag-relax, and magtanggal ng stress. And a 30-minute ride from our project is where the famous beaches and islands of San Antonio, Zambales is. So first up, we have the Capones Island. Enjoy the boasting light cream, so light cream sand and clear turquoise waters po si Capones Island. Actually, this are two islands po, Capones and Camara Islands. Almost magkatabi lang po sila. And may sandbar din po dyan pagka low tide. Or you can visit Anawangan Cove. It is a go-to campsite, hiking place, and beach resort where you can enjoy the hidden lake with its fresh water. So both Anawangan and Capones Island are accessible via island hopping po. So your starting point is from Pundakit Beach in San Antonio, Zambales. And a few minutes ride, you'll find San Felipe, Zambales. So San Felipe is one of the top 5 domestic destination noong December 2023 that was reported by Airbnb. So ano bang meron sa San Felipe? The most famous beach here is the Liuliwa Beach. It is also the best surfing area in Zambales. So it's because of this, kaya po maraming pupuntang tourist in San Felipe. And for the best diving and hiking, we also have it here in Zambales. So a few minutes from San Felipe is the town of Botolan. It is where the best diving resort is. Yan, Sounddowners Beach Villas. It has the best diving spot in Zambales. And here is also the gateway for hiking to the Great Crater Lake of Mount Pinatubo. Now, the good thing about our project is that we are located at the center of all types of attractions in Zambales. So as you observed, no, on the southern part or sa babang part, you'll find Olongapo and Subic Bay Freeport Zone. All types of commercial establishments and theme parks po nandito. Resort, restaurant, mall, casino, hotels, and theme parks. Nandyan po yan sa southern part of Zambales. Now, if you explore the northern part naman, nandyan po yung magagandang dagat and islands of Zambales. And also, all types of activities, nature activities, hiking, diving, surfing, island hopping. It's all here in Zambales. And we are located at the center. So 30 to 40-minute travel lang po, mapupuntahan na po natin yung mga locations or yung mga tourist spots that I have presented to you. So with that, ayan, ladies and gentlemen, may I present to you Montesa, the first township development in Zambales. So what you see right now po is the future entrance or entourage po ng township development. Yung kalsada on the lower part, that's the National Highway. So it is envisioned as a pristine Mediterranean retreat in Subic. Montesa is a sprawling township that will be developed according to 4 key design principles. So si Montesa po, we have 4 key design principles in which saan po nanggaling or pinagmulan po nung concept or designs po ng Montesa. So first, we have a symmetrical Mediterranean palette. So the architectural designs and colors are inspired po by Pueblos Blancos in Spain. And of course, second, we have lyrical landscapes. Soon, Montesa will be a walking mall. So marami pong landscapes ang development natin. Third is a legacy of wellness retreat. So I will be discussing more of this later on. And of course, an overall bespoke experience allowing residents to live the way they choose. So it is situated in Barangay Aningway, Subic, Zambales. The whole township development of Montesa is 25 hectares. And the word Montesa means beautiful mountains in Spain. So it will be composed of 3 nodes of big development. And first, we have the upscale lifestyle center. So it is where you do not have to go outside the township anymore to shop, dine, and create beautiful memories with friends and family. So basically, this is our commercial part or yung mall po natin. But it is not the typical type na Vista Mall or building type na mall. It's more on like Evia Lifestyle Center or Venice Grand Canal inspiration. And Coffee Project, ayan, hailed as the most Instagrammable coffee shop in the Philippines as its first offering which started its operation last July 2023. So we already have Coffee Project dito sa Montesa. Second development is the Wellness and Retreat Haven. So this development is a retreat haven sanctuary where guests will have a memorable multi-sensory experience. So it will be comprised of wellness hubs such as salons and spa. So may mini resorts then, hotels and other future development. So basically po, yung Wellness and Retreat Haven, this is the highlight of Montesa. So location-wise, we wanted Montesa to be top tourist destination in Subic, Zambales. We wanted Montesa to be the top of mind ng mga travelers when they think about Subic. That's why we have this kind of development in Montesa. And of course, last but definitely not the least, Montesa Residences, a resort lifestyle vertical residence. So here's a closer look of the upscale lifestyle center of Montesa. Ayan, where your favorite retail shops will soon rise and will serve you the best dining experience while enjoying the view of Sheras in Subic. So it will also be embedded with other Vista creations such as yan, si Dear Joe and Vista Cinema. And here is the actual photo po ng coffee project dito sa area natin. And now may I present to you our project, Montesa Residences. It is the first residential condo in Subic. So Montesa Residences is a 1.4 hectare mid-rise condo development. So we have 4 towers, 12-story each tower, a total of 253 units per tower. Our unit offering is 1 bedroom and 2 bedroom unit. And we have a total of 432 parking slots. So each tower will have a 2-passenger type elevator, 2 fire exits, and a 24/7 security and CCTV on all common areas. So here's the site development plan for Montesa Residences. On the lower center part of the map is the condominium entrance. So it is facing the 30-meter wide Spine Road of Montesa. And presenting, the first building being offered is the Galini. Galini means calm in Greek word. So it is strategically located facing our resort-themed amenities. Second building is Brescia. Third building is Pira. And our fourth building is Mireia. And now here's a sneak peek of our resort-themed amenities. So first, we have this magnificent leisure pool featuring a lounge deck. And may kiddie pool din po on the lower part. And the tower na nasa left part, that's the Galini Tower. Our clubhouse equipped with aircon and Wi-Fi where memorable gatherings, occasions, celebrations will unfold. And inside the clubhouse, we have the indoor fitness gym, playground where children and child at heart can enjoy, linear path walks or jogging trail, skate and bike park and yoga circles, and a pet park as we are a pet-friendly condominium community. And now presenting our unit offering, so this is the sample interior for our 1-bedroom unit, 33.96 square meters. This is the view from the kitchen and the view from the living area. And to give you a better perspective, here's a sample layout for our 1-bedroom unit. So upon entrance po ng unit, on the right side will be the kitchen and toilet and bath. In front po, dining area and living area na may access to the balcony. And the unit layout for our 2-bedroom unit. So here's the typical floor layout for the Galini. Ayan, so we have 2 views in Galini, amenity view, and the other side of the building is mountain view. And the most common unit that we offer is the 33.96 square meters 1-bedroom unit. So all green units po we have in mountain view and amenity view. And a slightly larger 1-bedroom unit. So this is what we call premium 1-bedroom or yung corner 1BR. Unit A and Unit M, 34.46 square meters unit area facing the mountains. And the largest 1-bedroom that we offer is the Grand 1-bedroom Unit G. It is a 39.9 square meters grand 1-bedroom. Facing mountain din po siya and it's located in front of the 2 elevators. And for our 2-bedroom units, Unit N and Unit W at corner unit din po siya but facing amenities. So those are 43.86 square meters, 2-bedroom units located beside the fire exits. And we also offer combined units, no? So our combined units will be turned over with a door size access to each unit. Kumbaga, meron na pong connecting door. Ayan, where the investors can enjoy as much as 67.92 square meters to 73.86 square meters with 2 toilet and baths and 2 bedrooms. Now, for the unit specifications, the standard deliverable unit of Montesa is complete finish. When we say complete finish with tiled floor, painted walls and ceiling, may granite countertop and base cabinet na in the kitchen. Sa toilet and bath, ceramic tiled na ang shower walls and shower floor with telephone type shower, shower enclosure, lavatory, and handheld bidet. Sa toilet, and may balcony, and a provision for air conditioning. The good thing about Montesa is all units po merong balcony. May it be 1BR or 2BR. And kahit anong floor po. And aside from that, each unit will also have a telephone line, NCATV or cable outlet, smoke and heat detector, fire sprinkler, exhaust provision, provision for washer or dryer, provision for multi-point water heater, and may backup power. So per unit, the backup power includes the socket sa may refrigerator and in the living area. And aside from that, there is also a standby generator per building for common areas like parking, elevator, lobby, and hallways. And not only that, since Montesa is designed to provide conveniences, all unit comes with smart features upon turnover. So your unit in Montesa comes with smart plugs or smart wall sockets and smart door lock upon turnover. So here's a sample price range po for our units in Montesa. For our 1-bedroom unit with 33.96 square meters, price starts from 6.8 to 7.5 million. For our 34.46 square meters 1-bedroom, price starts from 6.9 to 7.9 million. And for our 39.9 square meters 1-bedroom, price starts from 7.9 to 8.8 million. And for our 43.86 square meters 2-bedroom unit, price starts from 8.9 to 10.5 million. Now, the reservation fee po starts at 30,000 pesos. And of course, I am also glad to share with you our existing buyers promo. So we have an outright discount din po, 150,000 outright discount sa total contract price. This is upon reservation ng client. And aside from that, the buyers can also get as much as 100,000 gift certificates from All Home. Now, this promo is intended po no for the appliances or furnitures ng unit since complete finish po yung turnover. So, from 6.1 to 10 million TC per range, the buyer can get 70,000 worth of gift certificates. From 10.1 to 15M, 100,000 pesos worth of gift certificates. The manner of release for this promo is upon first bank amortization or kapag ka naka-move in na po or pag ito turn over na po yung unit kay buyer. But this promo will also will only be like plus na lang siya or add-ons na lang since Montesa offer exclusively fully furnished promo. So all units na magre-reserve po until June 2024 cut-off ay makaka-avail po ng fully furnished promo natin. So what's with this fully furnished promo ba? So yung unit will have a queen size bed frame with mattress, 2-window type air condition unit, 50-inch smart TV with TV rack, may sofa, refrigerator, 4-seater dining set, range hood, automatic washing machine, and exhaust fan. All of these po for free, no additional cost, no hidden charges. So kung ano po yung TCP na nakalagay sa price computations natin, yun lang po yun. Mababawasan lang po siya since meron tayong outright discount of 150,000 pesos. Sustainable, innovative, lifestyle-driven, prime for growth and world-class. This is Montesa, a prime development of Vestaland. Thank you so much, everyone. Now, if you have questions po, ayan, pwede po kayong magtanong right now.